there are more cons than pros for them to have an account as a young teenager before they become adults. Is my stance on it. What about you, Ryan?
So a little bit different, but pretty similar, right? So, like I said, the only reason I have a Snapchat account is because my daughter has one. The only reason I have a TikTok account is because my daughter has one. The only reason I have a Discord account is because my son has one. Um, they have not asked for Facebook or Twitter or anything else that I feel are not really kid-friendly platforms. Or I'm sorry, YouTube as well. So originally they had a YouTube account, but it was my account, so they shared it. So all of their accounts stemmed from my account originally. That's why I kind of lost my gamer tag to my son because he plays more than I play. I lost my YouTube channel to my daughter because she was actually making videos. She doesn't anymore, but she did. And then, like I said, I created those accounts to friend them with unrestricted access. So it's kind of twofold. So I believe kids should have privacy. So I'm not taking my kids' doors off the hinges or threatening to do that. But